move across the state here into central Alabama, and look at those over there towards Mississippi. That could move in through our area, come into the rest of tonight. So I wouldn't be surprised to see one or two passing showers, but a lot of us are going to stay dry and still have that cloud coverage for most of the night. Now let's go and get to the bigger story, though. We're tracking Tropical Storm Sally, which is now right off the southwestern part of Florida. And it is a tropical storm right now. Winds of 40 miles an hour. The pressure sitting at 103 millibars. So it's not the strongest, but it is entering Gulf of Mexico right now. And it's going to see those favorable conditions, such as warm sea surface temperatures. It's going to be able to tap into a lot of that energy, and we'll be moving through and coming into the Gulf Coast. Now, the exact impacts right now for Alabama right now, it just looks to be rain. But for our friends down there towards the Gulf Coast, such as Louisiana, Mississippi, and Gulf Shores in Alabama, looks like they're going to see impacts as early as Tuesday evening. And then, of course, us here by Thursday. So what does that really mean for at least wind potential? We're not going to see most of it here in central Alabama. The people down there towards the Mississippi coast and Louisiana coast, and even down there in Gulf Shores, Alabama, again, they're going to see the highest wind potential, so we'll keep them in our thoughts, and hopefully it doesn't cause too much damage. But we can't rule out that wind potential, again, for Tuscaloosa, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles an hour. And, of course, we're going to have those tropical storm gusts, which could bring down maybe a few branches too. So definitely going to continue to watch that as it does start to creep up on Alabama. Here's your forecast of storm surge along the coast. If you know anybody down there, or if you're just curious, looks like we're going to see at least 6 to 9 feet, especially along where the core of that hurricane is supposed to make landfall. Anywhere from 6 to 9 feet, and then friends down there in the Gulf Coast, Gulf Shores, from 4 to 6 feet, ranging anywhere from 2 to 6 feet. So definitely going to watch that and hope that the situation doesn't become any worse, and hopefully don't get that, and it just starts to weaken. But as of right now, we're still watching that. Now, what about the cases here in Alabama? What is the most, at least we're going to see in terms of impacts? Anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain. That looks to be the biggest impact, is the rainfall, which could give us a flooding potential. So definitely going to have to continue to watch that. Now, I know that was a lot of information that I was just kind of throwing at you, so I want to sum it down of like what we're going to be seeing in terms of any tropical impacts for central Alabama. The rain will be anywhere from Tuesday to Thursday, and it could be anywhere from 2 to 4 inches, but of course we're going to see higher towards the west, where we're expecting most of that rain to occur, and we're going to have some gusty winds coming in for Thursday too, so could bring down some of those trees from the soil that is saturated. So we're going to continue to watch that. Here's the rain chances again for the next few days. Notice as they increase as we get into Wednesday and Thursday as we watch for that tropical storm. And let's go ahead and time out the rest of your Sunday for tomorrow. Notice by most of the night we're going to see maybe a few passing showers and some clouds, a lot of us sitting in those mid to lower 70s. And then for your Sunday, you're getting up, going to church, we'll be in those 70s. But a few showers will be possible throughout the day, especially the afternoon, with temperatures in the mid 80s. And then by your 3 o'clock hour, it looks like we'll be in those lower 90s, with showers and storms also becoming possible in the evening time hours. So pack that umbrella just in case. Here's your extended forecast as we see temperatures in the lower 90s for tomorrow into your Monday. The rain chances stick with us and increase as we see that into our Wednesday and Thursday as we watch for Tropical Storm Sally making its way into Alabama. And then temperatures, though, starting to cool off into the lower 80s and lows in the upper 60s. Everyone have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll catch you back here tomorrow.